At-Takwir, losing of the light. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
إذا الشمس كورت
When the sun be folded up and darkened.
وإذا النجوم انكدرت
And when the stars are obscured.
وإذا الجبال سيرت
And when the mountains are made to pass away.
وإذا العشار عطلت
And when the excellent she-camels will be discarded.
وإذا الوحوش حشرت
And when the wild beasts shall be herded together.
وإذا البحار سجرت
And when the rivers will be drained away.
وإذا النفوس زوجت
And when various people will be united together.
وإذا الموءودة سئلت
And when the baby girl who is buried alive will be questioned about.
بأي ذنب قتلت
For what offense was she killed?
وإذا الصحف نشرت
And when books and papers will be spread abroad.
وإذا السماء كشطت
And when the heights will be discovered.
وإذا الجحيم سعرت
And when the hellfire will be set ablaze.
وإذا الجنة أزلفت
And when the paradise will be brought near.
علمت نفس ما أحضرت
Every soul will know then what store of deeds it has brought forward.
فلا أقسم بالخنس
Nay, I call to witness those planets that recede while advancing in one direction.
الجوار الكنس
Those planets that continue their forward course along their orbits and then disappear.
والليل إذا عسعس
And I call to witness the night when its darkness begins to depart.
والصبح إذا تنفس
And the dawn as it begins to breathe and brightens up.
إنه لقول رسول كريم
That verily, this Quran is indeed the word revealed to and uttered by a noble and illustrious messenger.
ذي قوة عند ذي العرش مكين
Possessor of power, occupying a glorious secure position with the Lord of the throne.
مطاع ثم أمين
Who is entitled to be obeyed and who is trustworthy.
وما صاحبكم بمجنون
And that this companion of yours is not at all mad.
ولقد رآه بالأفق المبين
And he has most surely seen himself shining in the resplendence of his own light, in the clear horizon, in the remotest corners of the world.
وما هو على الغيب بضنين
And he is not at all niggardly, nor a forgerer in disclosing the hidden realities.
وما هو بقول شيطان رجيم
Nor is this Quran the word of Satan who is driven away from divine presence.
فأين تذهبون
Where do you wander to leaving this Quran and the messenger aside?
إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين
This is but a means to rise to eminence for all people.
لمن شاء منكم منكم أن يستقيم.
For such of you who wish to walk straight and attain eminence.
وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله رب العالمين.
And you should not desire otherwise, except that which Allah, the Lord of the worlds, desires for you.